Welcome to the Floral Design Institute Flower School Minute. Today, I want to talk to you about the Wedding Flower Boot Camp. In this fabulous online workshop, you'll learn how to create bridal bouquets, crowns of course, flowers to wear, boutonnieres, wrist corsages, and the favorite flower ring. Then we'll also talk about ceremony and reception flowers, the compote, garlands. You'll learn how to source flowers, how to care for them, all the little tips and techniques for creating beautiful wedding flowers. Who should take this class? Anybody that loves flowers and wants to explore working in the world of wedding design. For more information, check us out at flowerschool.com or give us a call at 503-223-8089. Join me for the Wedding Floral Boot Camp online workshop and do something you love.